Hello and welcome to RRG Toyota. Today we're going to be introducing you to the all-new, all-electric bZ4X. So living with EV is pretty simple. I get home from work, I plug my car in, I go in and have my tea. I then go to bed, no messing around with fuel stations, and I'll wake up in the morning with up to 317 miles of EV charge. So we're all charged up and we're ready for our all-new bZ4X electric adventure. So I've got my charge, I've got the car, the sun's even come out, and I've even got my picnic. I'm all ready for my electric adventure. Hang on a minute, I forgot the family. So I've remembered the family, and now it's time for some natural beauty with zero emissions. So while the family's playing in the park, let's talk about the all-new Toyota bZ4X. So, firstly, as charging goes, you do have this really handy AC and DC charging port on the passenger side of the vehicle. So your home charger will feature from an AC current, and if you're using rapid charging, usually at motorway service stations, you've also got a DC current which will do up to 80% charge in just 30 minutes. And one nice extra point to mention about DC charging on places like motorway service stations is DC chargers usually have a tethered wire, negating the need to get your wire out the boot. So the bZ4X features a really unique profile with a lot of aerodynamic features. One of them I really quite like is this big cutout here that goes right through to the wheel arch on the front bumper. On top of that, you have ultra lightweight panels as well, a bit like the front bumper here and the wheel arches, and then that's also finished as you go round the car with the lower part of the side sills and also the rear arches as well. So the back of the bZ4X features this all new big band LED light for your tail lights, and being an SUV is really good for space. So you'll see here, I know we were saying about the picnic basket before, it's quite a big picnic basket, but it features a lot of room, a bit like that you'd find on traditional SUVs like the RAV4. So the specification we've come out in today is the Pure grade. You've got 3 grades available. You've got Pure, Motion and Vision. Vision being the top of the range one, features nearly every conceivable extra you can get on a Toyota, and you've also got optional features of things like panoramic roof. So as a standard, Toyota is always about safety and reliability. So the bZ4X features up to 10 years warranty on both battery and vehicle. The bZ4X really does keep a strong SUV stance. It's supremely comfortable on the inside, and I'm not a little fella, I'm really comfortable in this cockpit space. And it features a lot of handy little features and storage areas, like underneath the center console, you have this big pocket, you have a sliding armrest for extra storage underneath, and depending on your grade, also a wireless charger just underneath your dashboard. On top of that, the bZ4X is available as a 2-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive model. And the all-wheel drive model features the new best-in-class X mode for all-terrain driving. So a lot of people wonder what's underneath the bonnet of a bZ4X. But being an electric car, there's no engine, so I can show you. Underneath, you'll see the orange cabling going to the onboard charger, the auxiliary battery, the fuse box, and then the coolant system for the electric motors. So one thing about the bZ4X is it features a 1-pedal mode. Now what that does is, as you come to take your foot off the gas pedal, it will actually activate its regenerative braking and slow the car down, and also maximise that regeneration of electrical charge and feed straight back into your battery. Now one thing Toyota bZ4X has as a standard, I know we mentioned a little bit about the grades before, is safety. So the bZ4X features Toyota's all new Toyota Safety Sense 3. And what that does is it involves a number of different safety sensors like pre-collision, lane departure, lane tracing, dynamic range cruise control, the list goes on. And it does feature a 5-star NCAP rating.